Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Thank you. Thank you all for your kind words, your kind support, your kind words of birthday wishes. Thank you. They are so numerous. I was not expecting so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you all so much. Love you. I'm feeling the love. I'm feeling the love. Now, today, first and foremost, I don't want to forget. World Boss, happy belated, sir. One of my subs, we share the same birthday. Pauline D, today is your day. Big up yourself. Happy birthday, girl. Wishing you many, many more to come. Yeah, on the Jamaican cooking journey. And I know you're in England, so it's afternoon, late afternoon now. Big up yourself and full joy to the max. It's a Jamaican thing, you know, full joy. Instead of enjoy, full joy. Now, today, I want to show you how to get about doing some shake and bake chicken. I want to show you how you can just use some herbs. Better yet, a shake and bake chicken you never planned for. Most of these shake and bake, they have the shake and bake thing. It's in a pack, it's packaged, and I know most people go for it. I'm going to show you how I go about doing mine. Okay, y'all? Now, I have right here 3 pounds of chicken. So you want to get your chicken not too wet, but at the same time, you don't want to get it too dry. Okay? But I'm having a problem with the shake and bake. A lot of people want to proceed to use just the shake and bake thing there, but you need to give your chicken a little flavor. Remember, this thing works for the outside, not for the in. So I'm gonna go about and season up my chicken. Not too much, you know, my thing is herbs. So I'm gonna use some onions. You know that's what I do. And I'm gonna grate off some onions real fast. And you know I told you, for the crying and all of that, when you grate the onion, this is what it looks like. It gets mushy. So it must go down inside the chicken. It's easy. So we're gonna use some garlic, grated onions. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna give my hand a rinse. Yeah. And all I'm gonna add to this right here now is a little salt. Hold your hand high. I hope my fan don't interrupt when you're not measuring what we did. So hold your hand high. Alright. Now I'm gonna use my bag, or if you have your gloves, you know those disposable gloves. So you're gonna massage in this thing. Hey y'all. So these are green herbs. The onion and the garlic. And if you use like your garlic powder, your onion powder, go ahead and use it. But remember to give your chicken, when doing shake and bake, remember to give your chicken a little flavor before you shake it or you're in that dry batter there, okay? Alright. So we want to taste another finger. You don't want to go too much on the salt. The salt's something here. Okay? All you got to do is to pull out and turn it over. Now, I'm still going to give my hand a wash. Rinse this time I wash because I'm finished with that part. So now, we're going to proceed to make that shake and bake dry batter. Okay? Now, what I'm going to use in mine. So we have the chicken all seasoned up right here. I'm gonna show you I do mine. And I'm gonna get my fan off because I think it's gonna give me some problems, y'all. Okay. So now I have my container here that I might just shake and bake in. But if you want, I have a very big Ziploc that I use sometimes. But if you want to go ahead and use your Ziploc, fine. I feel more secure with these because you will never know when these bags will burst. I know it's thick and all of that. Let's get to the meat of the matter. I have inside here, this is about 2.5 cups of flour. I should be using coarse breadcrumbs, but I realized I did not have the coarse one. So I'm gonna put in like about, this is like about 1.5 cups or almost 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Now to this, I have here some crushed orange zest, dried orange zest that has been crushed. I'm gonna put it, because remember now, you know, you're gonna use this to coat the chicken, so you want some flavor, and I'm using all dried herbs. All dried herbs. I seasoned with the fresh ones, so I'm using all dry herbs. This thing is really strong. Remember, when the herbs are dried, you use less, because less means more when it's dehydrated. Okay, y'all? I'm gonna use my toaster oven. So I have my casserole. Remember, I don't want you all to get because you know some people easily get distracted. So I have this small, I hope it holds whatever I have. So I'm gonna pop it inside. I have it plugged in. So while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna proceed to preheat it, which if I was just using my big oven, I would do the same. So I'm gonna put it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using Celsius, it's gotta be 200. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, y'all, okay? And I'm gonna put it on bake, and I'm gonna set it for 1 hour, and it's gonna be there being preheated. I want the casserole to be preheated. Now, I'm gonna slap in some paprika. Paprika has no flavor, it only gives color. So I'm gonna slap in sorry. I wanna slap in a little dried parsley flakes, but not a little, probably about a tablespoon, yeah, of dried parsley flakes, because you know you want to get some flavor, you want to get some taste. I have the last of my red pepper flakes. I have it here. I have some fennel seed, and this is lovely. It makes lovely tea, and it does well in cooking. Wow. And it's strong. It's almost like cumin. It's that strong. So I'm going to put in like probably about this, which is about like 1/18 camera girl of a teaspoon. I'm going to put in that because it's really strong. I have here some cinnamon powder. And I keep my cinnamon powder because I buy a lot, because I bake a lot. I sell baked goods and stuff, and I'm on the low now. Cinnamon powder is strong also. So I'm going to put in just like this, same amount. Because I have only 3 pounds of chicken, remember? So I use that. I'm going to put in a pinch of a salt. Not a lot. That would be good. So I've used here my cinnamon, fennel, dried parsley, salt. I've used my last of my red bell peppers. I've used some paprika. Now I have here, some people tend to ask when they see things, some Maggi soup with them. But I've sifted out the noodles. I don't want the noodles. So I've sifted that out. So I have here, this is for flavoring and some coloring as well. So we're putting that in. Now, those out the way. I have got here some dried thyme. So, we just want the leaves. So we're going to put in a little dried thyme. And you can all leave your thyme in your bag, and over a period of time in your Ziploc, it becomes dry thyme family. If If you don't want to go buying, which I don't buy dry thyme, when I buy enough, it stays there and it's dried. So it's dried thyme. So why should I go buying dry thyme? Okay. So we have that in. And last but not least, I have some pimento seeds here. And I'm going to put in a little freshly cracked pimento seed. Yep, I like those flavors. These are herbs. And I'm going to proceed to put it in here and just give it a few smacks. We're not looking for it to be really fine. So however it comes out, we're okay. This is how it comes out. It's like freshly cracked pepper. So now we're gonna get incorporated in here. And I link for you all that I've used in the description. So we're gonna incorporate because we want to get a pretty color to our I'm gonna break there, and I hope you're not distracted because I've got to spray generously your casserole or grease generously, a lot of it, because I'm not gonna line it. So after I grease, I'm gonna put it back in because I want it real hot when I'm putting them, okay? And I hope you were not distracted there. So we're getting this together, okay? And I think we should have, I'm just going to taste from a salt perfection. I got the salt perfection from the chicken. So I'm going to take the salt perfection from this. And then I'll add it together to find out if I'm at the right salt perfection for myself. You do just the same. Wow, nice pepper flakes. So we are incorporating right here. Now that we have incorporated, you're gonna turn into your shaker, which this is my shaker. And you're gonna set, not everybody, but you're gonna set about probably 4 or 5 pieces. Let me rinse. As you go along. Cover properly, and we're gonna shake. Yeah, are you in camera, girl? We're gonna shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake. No booty here, but we're gonna shake these babies. We're gonna get them really properly coated. And now, you have shaken that first batch. You're gonna take them out because we're looking at crust, okay? You're gonna set them on a platter. Plate. They are well coated, yes, and you have an idea of what your shake and bake color will be like, okay, y'all? So we're gonna take the second set, okay, and look at it, all those herbs. Give them a shot, the camera girl. All those herbs, they are on top there with its own flavor, the shake and bake flavor, and the original flavor that you seasoned your chicken with. So you're gonna let them stay there, you know, and let the coating sort of set on them. Meanwhile, this is being preheated, and we are doing the second set. They'll have time to set in the coating. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna shake again. Shake, shake, shake. We should be preheated at this point. So we're going to use another plate. And we're going to take out, get right in camera girl. And you're going to set them right here. Right here. Okay. And this is it. These are the 2 platters that we have. I do hope that my casserole can hold them all. I do hope. I didn't know I have so much. So now we're going to take our casserole and we are going to proceed to start layering them with the first ones that we had, first batches, first set. Okay. We're gonna put them. I might just have to. I'm not gonna get all of mine in, y'all, but that's how it goes. Okay, so I've not gotten all of my set in. This is how I have it. Now you're gonna put it on in your oven. Remember, 400 Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius, and you're gonna put it in for 1 hour or about 50 minutes. And you're going, why I put it inside of this, when you put it inside that clear thing and you have the oven door clear, you know exactly what is happening. Okay? You know exactly what is happening from top to bottom. So now we're going to leave that there. And when we return, after 45 minutes to about an hour, you'll see how our shake and bake has proceeded, should be finished. We'll test, we'll show you the color, the crunchiness, and we'll show you how you can serve it up.